Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about Huawei Image Kit and show the integration steps. Huawei Image Kit provides smart image editing, designing, and animation capabilities into your application. In last videos, we introduced Huawei Image Kit Vision SDK integration. If you want to watch the previous video on Huawei Image Kit, please click on the link below. Huawei Image Kit Render SDK provides image rendering services for 5 basic animations and 9 advanced animation capabilities. As per our requirements, we can use basic animation effects in lot of flexible combinations. Advanced animation effects are not only stunning but easy to use. It is very interesting and bringing more fun to user interaction. Now let's start coding.
Open the Huawei developer website, go to console, app gallery connect and open my apps. Click on new app, enter the relevant information. Select add to project and click OK to create a project. Go to my projects, click on OK. Select manually enter the package name. Enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnect-services.json file. Go to Android Studio, add agconnect-services.json file under app directory. Verify the package name. Go to Android, open the project build.gradle file, add the Huawei Maven repository in repositories and add class path. Open the app build.gradle file, add agconnect plugin and Huawei Image Kit Render SDK dependency. Open the demo render activity, set the path of the resources to be passed. Initialize the spinner view and check the permission. Once permissions are granted, create a path of the resource files and obtain the image render object. Check the image render API object if not null. Initialize the object by passing the parameters, source path, and authentication information in JSON format. Obtain the render view, get the view and add view to layout container to display. In onResume, call the bind render view method and in onBind callback add the view to the layout. Tap on Start Animation button to call Play Animation method to start the animation. Tap on Stop Animation button to call Stop Animation method to stop the render animation. Now, tap on Pause Animation button to call Pause Animation method with Boolean parameter. To resume animation, we can call Resume Animation method. Call the unbind render view method with hashcode parameter for releasing the binding. Tap on Start Record button to start recording either for GIF or video format with scale, FPS and record type details. Call the startRecord method with all the details and save it. Before saving, check the recording type, which is 1 for video, 2 for GIF, and 3 for both recording time. Once done, call the stopRecord method to stop the recording.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed Image Kit application, select the animation type and enter the required value in all the fields. Tap on play, animation has been started. Tap on start record button. After some time, tap on stop record button and go to next page. Now tap on play button to see the recorded animation. And there you go. You have now integrated Huawei ImageKit Render SDK service into your app. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.